Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix reply option missing on the Instagram. So reply option is not working on your Instagram. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram, and once you will search for it, you have to update your Instagram. If reply option is not available on the Instagram, maybe you are using the older version, that's why this option is not available. But if your Instagram is up to dated, simply you have to go to the settings. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the apps and the notification and click on the Instagram. From here, go to the storage and the cache and clear your storage and try to find this option on your Instagram. And if this still not working, connect your Instagram with the Facebook, maybe this problem will be solved. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.